So we're at the Packaging Innovation Show today, and the new Xtaper we designed, and I'm introducing Lucy.
Hi.
So Lucy, can you just tell me what you do at Carlton?
Yeah, so I'm the marketing manager for Carlton Packaging.
Can you give us some idea what the reception's been like for the Xtaper?
Yeah, so we've been very, very busy. Everyone seems to love the Xtaper. We've drawn in crowds all day yesterday, and as you can see this morning, we're extremely busy again. So yeah, it's doing what it needs to do. I think the key aspect is that it's mobile and that you can pick it up, you can use it across the warehouse. Had so many inquiries over the last 2 days. We didn't think we were going to get that many inquiries, but we've really exceeded our limits. As you can see, the stand's quite busy, and people just want this in their warehouse ASAP.
Paul McGee, Carlton Packaging. I'm the sales director at Carlton.
All right. And can I just ask what the reaction's been like to the new Xtaper?
Yeah, it's been absolutely immense. The market has been really, I'd say, stunned. I suppose out there are a lot bigger dispensers out and just take up the whole of the bench. But these are compact, they're light, they're mobile, you can take them anywhere, and I think the market is just really just waiting to get hold of them. Yeah.
And in terms of price, it's a lot cheaper?
Absolutely correct, yes. So as someone just said to me, a very large third-party logistics provider in the UK just said to me, he said the other dispensers, they're probably around about £1,000 a pop. Whereas these, they're between £300 and £400. So yeah, very competitively priced, and indeed the tape inside them is also competitively priced as well. So.
And in terms of international sales, what's happening there?
Yes, so we've got agents in the US that are interested. We've got agents in Australia that are also interested. We are in the process of setting up distributors in Europe and in the UK. And we also have some large end users that we're going directly to ourselves. So.
Cool. The big thing on the show is about green packaging and recyclability, and there seems to be a big advantage to using this compared to using plastic polyester tape.
Yeah, absolutely. So obviously out there, the historic thing is to be using polypropylene tape or PVC tape, which obviously is harmful to the environment. It doesn't break down. You put it in landfill, it doesn't go away. With this product, obviously it is recyclable, it's compostable, it's got all the advantages that all the large end users and the large retailers are looking for as far as environmentally sustainable alternatives are concerned, yeah.
And from a security point of view, I didn't realise this, how good brown paper tape is compared to polyester.
Absolutely correct. So with a normal plastic tape, you push down the top of the box and generally speaking the tape just pops off. With this product, because the fibres, once it sticks onto the box, the fibres actually blend in and bond with the fibres in the box. So it becomes part of the actual box once you've put the adhesive tape on. So once it's dried, there's no way you can get your finger underneath it. You actually have to cut it to get inside the box. It then becomes evidence that it's been tampered with, and the recipient can then sign that it's been tampered with.
That's great. Thanks very much.
Thank you very much.